Now then, how you doing? This is Simon Scholes here. Welcome to How to 9 Times Your Social Media, how you can take one piece of content and make it work harder for you. If you're brand new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also share this content with your audience as well if you think they're going to get value from it. So, who am I? Well, I am the founder and creative director of Perception Studios. We're an award-winning visual marketing agency and we help brands and businesses create content that helps them stand out on social media and through their website and everything else. However, a few years ago, it became very obvious to me that not every brand, not every business had the budget to have content created on a regular basis. And social media really needs that. It needs consistency. So what I did was sit down and came up with a process that I called How to 9 Times Your Social Media. I turned it into a former #1 book, which you can download currently for free. You can get your copy by clicking on the link in the description box below. And it takes you through the whole process I'm talking to you about now, where you can create content for free, how you can make one piece of content work harder for you to make lots of other content and do this on a weekly basis. So we have gone through avatars, we've gone through planning, we've gone through blogging, and we've done the hard part, which is a Facebook Live. So what are you going to do now you've got that live piece of content? Well, you're going to download it. There are lots of different apps that are available. You just check out which one you want to use to download your Facebook Live video. For me, I use an app called Clip Converter, and also there is fbdown.net, which is a plugin on Chrome which works brilliantly as well and allows you to download your content and other content as well, but you're here to download your own content. Once you've got that video, what you do with it is endless. You are able to do so much with that video. The first thing I want to talk to you about is actually editing it into short form content. So, of course, you want to have a small intro on there explaining who you are. That's fine. You're going to edit that off the video and put that at the beginning. Then you're going to take out a small section, the bits I was talking to you about in the blog that you put into your Facebook Live. You know, those little bullet point moments, you're going to edit those out. This is why we do it in this flow. We do it in this process so that you understand what you're taking out. You know where you're getting this content from. And if you've not watched any of the other videos yet, go back and watch them and then come back to this one and it'll all make absolute sense. You're going to edit out those bullet point moments. Those are then going to become short form content that you can post on lots of different channels. Now, if you can keep it under 60 seconds, absolutely awesome, because under 60 seconds means you can post it on Instagram as well. If you can't keep it under 60 seconds, it doesn't matter. You can still post on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter. It doesn't matter that you can't necessarily get it onto Instagram, because we're going to do some other content you can use on Instagram very, very soon as well. And this isn't the only thing you can do with the video, but this is the one I want you to think about right now. Editing the video into short form content. If you don't have the skill set to edit video, find somebody who does and then go away and learn it yourself, so that then eventually in the future you can do it yourself. But if you think it's going to take up too much of your time, pay for an editor to do it for you. Don't just sit there struggling with it for 5 or 6 hours at a time. You could probably get an editor and pay for an hour of their time and they could repurpose your video very, very quickly for you. So don't spend too much time on this unless you really, really feel you have to. Hopefully you've got some value from this. In the next video, we'll go through some of the softwares that you can use on your phone and on your computer as well that are absolutely free. Again, free is my favorite 4-letter word, and I don't want to see you spending money that you don't necessarily have to spend. Some of these parts of the process may cost you a little bit, but they're not going to cost you endless amounts of money like it would do if you were having your content created by an agency on a regular basis. Okay, if you have got value, like I said at the start, please do hit the subscribe button and share this content with your audience as well. Hopefully we can keep building the community and getting more and more people watching this content. Share it on your Twitter, your Facebook, all those type of places. And until next time, thank you ever so much for watching, and stay safe in these current times.